According long 7 plus end time last 1 hour Bible timeline calculation may be present in Pinis using Daniel 8:14, Daniel 12, 11 to 12, extra 10, 7 to 10, Nehemiah 6:15, John 2:19 to 20, Luke 13:6 to 9, Joshua 1:11, James 5:17, Revelation 11:7 to 12, Amos 8:11 to 12, Jeremiah 16:5, James 2:13. According long all these plus scriptures, Marimari long Jesus Christ Pinis long today 16 September 2022. Marimari long Jesus Pinis long today all people by Mekim Wonem.
Luke 13:25. Jesus in Toksave supposed to be passing this land door. Look at man open.
Ika triple kind people stop now. One holy people. Emo line look at sin. You may on this line any represented by Prophet Samuel, stop long 1 Samuel 12:3. Now Prophet Elijah stop long 2 Kings 2:1 to 12. You may been hardened top long God. Now you may been believe long Jesus Pinis. You may baptize long Jesus. Now you may been behind him leg mark long Jesus Christ. You may on this line. You may now go inside long holy place long spiritual tabernacle. You may by not too long family na personal worship altar long you may long all can day fulfilling John 4:21 equal 24 Psalms 4:4 na Matthew 6:6. But you may behind him Ephesians 5:19 where Amy talk speaking to yourselves in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing and making melody in your heart to the Lord. You may must remain holy. Now you may not can committing sin, fulfilling 1 Peter 1:16, because it is written, "Be holy, for I am holy." So that Holy Spirit he can seal in you me long 2026, fulfilling Revelation 7:4 to 8. Now Matthew 20:16. For many are called, but few are chosen. Downloading and behind him all process. Now how long walk about long believe praises. We've been explaining Pinis long number 5th presentation blooming. Number 2 line people. MO line ikat sin na only no holy. Only no lotu or only lotu. Tasol only still ikat sin long. Ting blongol. Tok blongol na walk about blongol. All this line now must behind him good passing blong. Win him reward long great white throne judgment. Istap long Revelation 20:11 to 12. Behind Bami walking Sambla presentation long all this line. So you must put him here na eye long this presentation blow behind. Number 3 group of people. Emol beginning Christmas blongol 12 years na countdown. All this line you know stop long this judgment is stop long Revelation 14:7 na James 2:13, because only no save long one and something any sin or holy, or only no save long one and something in good na no good, or only no save long one and something in right na wrong. Also na only no na take part long this believe precious where you me all believe man Mary long Jesus equal through long 2022 equal long 2025. All this beginning any represented by Elisha is start long 2 Kings 2:13 to 25 na 5 years old beginning long Jonathan is start long 2 Samuel 4:4. All papa mama long all this beginning na all teacher he must line him on this online beginning how long lead long or something long plus kind of shape how long plan him on good plan na strong plan kai long place na how long use him on good plan na strong plan tools long on long place long working house na working garden. All two he must behind it na line him on long good plan passing long take part long faith life packing process he start long Ezekiel 39:14 to 15 na Isaiah 33:20 na winning this great white throne judgment he start long Revelation 20:11 to 12. Behind by me presenting sample presentation long this online, so you must put him here na hare.
Now you start holy. You by being sent on holy place. Now you by God Holy Spirit want to walk about long holiness building. That is why 7 lampstand. And he talking about sister putting 7 lampstand. Now lighting this long every morning. All priests are go lighting. Number 1 7 lampstand. Number 2 12 bread without yeast. So I stop inside every day. All priests are go change. Number 3 incense burning. All sweet smell something else are go burning. But priests are going to burning so that God by this big name Lord is smell God by burning. How by you burning this incense burning Lord? Start of 17 September. You are a mister. The first thing you must work in yourself. Jesus time me to play repent in sin finish. Now me to practice in Jesus Christ. Jesus, let me stop inside, holy place, and spiritual heart from me to follow here. Jesus, can you kiss him? Holy Spirit in his stop long way, Jesus in his stop long way, and stop inside of you. Not can find him, Jesus wrong. Can you repent, minister, you kiss him, Jesus, and stop inside of you. You talking, man. Jesus, you stop under me now. You not can lose me now, we stop your time no good. Devil Satan but try me. Sin but try me. You not can lose me. I must speak the prayer to you. You must stop one day. You must walk about one day. Me like you not walk about now. Me like you go look care about now. Me like you look Warangoy now. Me like you go look Papindo now. Me by go look Rapal now. Jesus, you must not one day. You must sit down one day. You must talk one day. You pray yourself. Jesus must stop one day you. Because and talk from the 12 from bread and Jesus. 12 from bread without yeast is Jesus. That is why you talking and you must stop one day. Can you walk in yourself? Holy Spirit, and by showing you. You walk about you go. Now you look at one Mary. Now you look at Pinis blogger. You look at new space blogger. Thinking no good come to you. Now thinking Allah to come to you. You call him to Jesus not God. Jesus, please. This guy thinking about me. You look at one young boy. One the man is driving car. Now this guy thinking no good come to eye to you. Adultery come to mind to you. You call him name to Jesus not God. Jesus, please. And by flee. You use in name of Jesus for all the time. Talk no good come up for you. You use in name of Jesus. Talking across it. Because of blood of sin. Sin was still behind in you. Sin was behind in you because me to base up of face from sin. That is why you need in Jesus, Lord protecting you, Lord banishing you, Lord comforting you. That is why every time you go, you look in yourself. Time to talk, no good come up. One black cross come up. Suppose beginning where it talks play you go. Suppose brother play you where himself that trousers play you go. Now you like cross. One bet thinking suppose me to play low to man Mary. Ever to go sen. One bet thinking but can't mind play you. Never to go sen. Not can for us from the man. And Holy Spirit you talk to you. You must behind in this plan. Suppose me to play you behind in this plan. And me to play the light in this plan. 7 by left stand this time. Holy Spirit work again and go leading you and go comforting you and go showing you. That is why time you walk about the camp and by showing you and by comforting you and by lighting and by showing you and by lighting you and by leading you. You must have a talk to the Holy Spirit. Suppose one that talk no good, he come up. Lord thinking to you now. Before you talk no good. One that thinking about talk, no can talk no good, no can chorus, no can gossip. You looking one time, you market this stuff. You sit on the car. Now, one playing gossip for another Mary. One playing gossip for one man. One playing gossip for one not gossip. You don't can join it. You must apply spiritual COVID-19 protocol. You must self-isolate immediately. You must self-isolate immediately. No, all brother like walking sin. All beginning like walking sin. All Mary like walking sin. All market late for you. All Mary like talk sin. You don't can contribute to my for you know walking distancing. You must social distance immediately. You must self-isolate immediately. But you know you mean me to play foul. Now, me no sabe me to play apply spiritual COVID-19 or not. You must self-isolate immediately. No man like walking sin. You must social distance immediately. No group like walking sin. You must put in talk on Jesus Christ. Write in talk on Jesus Christ. It's not also in vaccine. Or talking about kissing vaccine. And because every fulfilling John 4, 22, 23, and 21. You must write in talk from God. Now, government to you, not 2021. And you write in this Mama Loy inside Pinis. Why not somebody I want them? Only no working now 2021 and working. And because Luke 13, 8 meter, Laren. Suppose Mr. So 1 year I'm giving you so that you are writing this talk from God, writing will send a heart for you. Now you are walk about what they talk from God. That is why talk from God, you don't have to stop the house to do. Everybody stop in send a heart for you. Because all I can around and talk from God side stop in send. This heart can stop in send of it to do. Holy place and stop in send of it to do. Holiest place and stop in send of it to do. Talk from God is stop in send of this man. Mana and stop in send of this man. Rod to Aaron and stop in send of her. Rod to Aaron and representing holiness. September 2025 and you might stop holy. Man is stop holy. want them holiness, and by me to look him, Jesus Christ. Godliness I come no outer court. Godliness I come no inner court. Godliness I come no holy place. God shall come no holiest place. On high priest I go, Moses I go, God is in this part of the God by talking man, now I come out not talking about people. That is why me to play myself as of September 2025. By me to place up inside of holiest place. Holiest place by you go inside for only 6 months. You may start the holiest place. And then me to play by that good road no waiting Jesus Christ. So as of 17 September, no good me to play color of window no go out and you stop inside of holy place. And God did not come here. God will come long holiest place. That is why I me to place up. How by you walk about what that 7 lens stick is that lens size stop long holiest place. Holy Spirit by talking you must respond. Holy Spirit by talk, no can talk no good. You not can talk no good. Holy Spirit by talk, no can jealous of another man. No can jealous of another man. Holy Spirit is start from men from me to plan. Emphasizing this level, other for thinking from me to plan. And then by talking you, no can talk no good. You no can talk no good. Because you stop inside of holy place. You be kept that suppose you jealous of another plan. You mangali one place Sunday. You cross another place up. Me to black people out. Spiritually, you cannot go out from window from holy place finish. Your name is blotted out. That is why Matthew 30 pipeline of me to black. We got popular hearts and stuff. Out of God in a God, holy place, the holiest place. The out of God, and more money is a Philip place up outside. And me to play no Philip yet. And me to play minister outside also. Gospel to me to play come 1975, me to play come inside in a court. And more missionary in Kisim. Gospel come inside. And now pastors are preaching talk from me to play, me to play stuff. And me to play stuff in a court. And more sacrifice all animals. Me to play go ahead and talk from God. Monday, Tuesday, me to play come what him sin can. He come back and you sacrifice him, you stop out of court. Time, me to play. Marimari and Pinis, me to play by go inside of holy place. Holy place, I am all priests, that's I go inside. Time Jesus Christ and me come back again. Me to play by no na start congregation, me to play by start priest. When Christ becomes the high priest. That is why, suppose me to play like purify this ground. On the 2nd millennium, when Jesus Christ becomes the high priest, you will become the priest. That means me to play must practice him how to become a priest. Now you must stop inside of holy place. Suppose Sundays of 17 you go like this stuff. You are still congregation, my friend. You will never become a priest. Suppose pastor play priest now you come up congregation yet. You talk even one time you become a priest. Because only priest will be with Jesus Christ, and Jesus Christ he will come and say, now we Mr. Person, high priest. Now ever purify this ground as a high priest. And Jesus Christ and he come up king. Me to never come up royal priest. And Jesus Christ and he come up king of kings. Me to never come up king. That is why we will be called a king. Now Jesus Christ is called king of kings. So suppose you like this congregation yet now. You go on Saturday and Sunday, I'll start to play you. And you start congregation yet. Now one time I need to come up. Praise. Try my speak. Address for me. Now this number is not for YouTube.